And driving that win was Asia Wilson, who scored 21 points and had 13 rebounds. I would have to say that she's really the one who pulled through. The team had a really tough time, and she sort of single-handedly put them all on her back and got them that gold medal today, Unish.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for your reporting. I know it's been tough work, but fun work, so thank you so much. And next, a new film takes a close-up